Hey guys, it's day 42, Quarantine Cuisine, Schoen's home. We're making tuna tartare tacos. Yum. I love tuna tartare. So good. Okay, so this is sushi grade tuna, and I'm gonna cut it into a very small dice. And we're gonna make a delicious tuna tartare. Okay, so I'm just cutting it into 4 pieces. I need a really sharp knife. I'm wearing gloves. And I always freeze my tuna. This way I don't have to worry about any bacteria or getting sick from raw fish. So I always freeze it and then I thaw it out, okay? Beautiful color. And I have some garnishes. I chopped up some purple cabbage, really fine. And I also chopped up some red bell pepper into a small dice. And I chopped up a quarter of a shallot into a very small dice, a little mince. And some scallions, of course, my fave. And then I have the makings of the sauce, which I'll tell you about in a minute. Okay, so we just chopped that up. I'm going to put that in the bowl. Okay, let me get rid of this. Okay, so we have that beautiful tuna. Okay, so let's go over here now. I want to fry some wontons. So these are the pot stickers, the Gyoza pot stickers. I have a pan on the stove. It's very hot. And I'm adding some extra light olive oil to that. You could use canola oil, you could use peanut oil. And we're just gonna fry these babies up. Why are you laughing, Parks?
Because I'm twisted up like a pretzel trying to get this shot.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's all good.
Okay, so these are gonna go really fast. And I'm just doing this as a shallow fry.
Yep. You coming back?
I'm coming back.
Okay.
Don't you worry about a thing. Coming back.
Oh, look at those. They're puffing up and doing.
They're gonna get really crispy. We want them to have a nice golden brown color. I'm gonna turn up my heat a little bit. It's really hot in LA right now, and it's actually Cinco de Mayo. I won't be showing you this till after Cinco de Mayo, but this is our ode to Cinco de Mayo, Taco Tuesday. And yeah, nice fresh light. It's really hot here, as I was saying. We're having a little bit of a heat wave, so this is going to be really nice and refreshing. And this is just a great, cracker to put your tuna on. See how fast that is?
Yeah, very fast. Huh. Who knew?
And I have some paper towels over here. Let me throw these in. And while they're hot, we're going to add just a tiny bit of salt. And some of our chili pepper, togarashi, for a little extra flavor on there. It's a Japanese chili pepper. Aren't those beautiful, Parks?
Yeah, they look really nice.
I just turn my heat down a little bit. And sometimes I cut these in half if you want a smaller disc. Sometimes I cut them into triangles or quarters for like a really small appetizer at a cocktail party. So it's like a 1 bite tuna tartare. Okay. How easy was that? You could do that, Parks.
Pretty beautiful.
Pretty beautiful, pretty easy. Okay, so we're putting a little bit of salt, a little togarashi on there. Let's bring these back over here. And let these cool. Okay, so to our tuna, I want to add, let me get a spoon. I want to add our shallots and red peppers. And you can add any veg that you like. This is just what I have today, but look at the colors, how beautiful that is. You could add cilantro, you could add basil, whatever you guys like, whatever you have, you know. I only have red peppers right now. You could add yellow, you could add orange peppers, you could add green peppers, you could add jalapeno. Okay, so to this I want to add a little bit of avocado oil. Some ponzu sauce, which is basically a combination of a rice wine vinegar, soy, and citrus. That's a nice punch to it. A little bit of rice wine vinegar, the seasoned kind, so it's a little bit sweeter. This is sweet cooking rice, aji mirin. All the stuff is available in every supermarket. A quarter of a mandarin orange. Some sesame seeds for crunch. A little bit of Maldon sea salt. A bit of truffle oil. Everything's better with truffle oil. And for some heat, a little bit of chili flakes and some togarashi. Now you don't want to do this in advance. You want to do this right before you're eating it because the citrus and the soy will actually cook the tuna at some point. So you want to do this right before you're serving it, okay? Maybe 15 minutes max. So what I do is I cut my tuna in advance and all those veg and you can add to it, but I don't add any of those wet seasonings until right before serving. But you can keep, you know, the tuna cut up in your fridge in the morning and just have it ready to go. So when your guests come over, you can just throw it all together really quickly. You can cook these in the morning and they'll last all day and be delicious. Okay. Let me just taste this for seasoning.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. You're gonna be happy too. It's almost like tuna nachos, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Tuna nachos. That's a new name. Wow. It really is tuna nachos.
Yeah. I mean, how delicious is that?
Wow.
How fast, how delicious, healthy, cooling on this super warm night. It's like 81 degrees right now at 7:30. That's what we're having for dinner with a margarita.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo, a couple days late.
Well, yeah, you celebrate when you can.
Try it, guys. You could do it.